Friends, in previous video we discussed about historical development and scope of microbiology and some scientists. Now it's turn to study about John Tyndall. He gave us the final blow to spontaneous generation in his work on the optical properties of atmospheric dust. He observed that a beam of light passing through air without dust particles was invisible. On the other hand, a beam of light passing through dust-containing environment was clearly visible. He built a chamber equipped with side windows and curved tubular vents through which bacteria could not enter. The inside surfaces of this box were coated with glycerol to trap the dust particles that sooner or later would come to settle on the surfaces. This chamber was fitted with a rack of test tubes. When a chamber was found to be optically empty of floating matter, simply by shining a beam of light through its window, the test tubes were filled with a broth which was then sterilized by immersing the tubes in boiling brine. Tyndall found that the broth remained sterile even though it was in direct contact with air of the chamber. When a dust-containing air was introduced, microbial growth appeared after a brief time. Tyndall demonstrated that bacterial life occurred in sterile broth only after it was introduced from an outside source. Now let's have a look on diagram. As we can see, here is stoppered pipette, glycerine coated chamber, light is passed through optically empty light path, and we can see test tubes are in the chamber which is boiling brine solution, and in test tubes there is meat broth and it is continuously heated through gas burner. As we can see in this pipes, it is heated to sterilize the air from airflow. Conclusion: Tyndall concluded that bacteria existed in two forms. Thermolabile form are those which are killed easily by a few minutes of exposure to boiling temperatures, and thermostable form is resistant to boiling for several hours. These bacteria were found to contain heat-resistant structures named as spores by Ferdinand Kohn in 1877. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like, share and subscribe.